Have you ever wanted a healthy frozen dessert that's creamy, refreshing, and incredibly simple to make? Today I'm showing you how to make pistachio frozen yogurt cups using only 3 main ingredients. They're naturally creamy, packed with protein, and sweetened with monk fruit instead of sugar, making them a great option for anyone trying to eat clean or reduce sugar. They're naturally creamy, packed with protein, and sweetened with monk fruit instead of sugar, making them a great option for anyone trying to eat clean or reduce sugar. And the best part? No ice cream machine. No complicated steps, just blend, freeze, and enjoy. And the best part? No ice cream machine. No complicated steps, just blend, freeze, and enjoy. Let's get started. Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily, where we make simple, healthy recipes that help you enjoy food while taking care of your body. If you love pistachios and creamy desserts, this recipe is going to become one of your favorites. These pistachio frozen yogurt cups are high protein, naturally creamy, lower in sugar, made with only a few ingredients. They're perfect for high protein, naturally creamy, lower in sugar, made with only a few ingredients. They're perfect for healthy snacks, summer desserts, post-workout treats. Let me show you exactly how to make them. For this recipe, you only need 3 main ingredients. 500 grams Greek yogurt. You can also use kefir milk if you prefer a slightly lighter texture. Greek yogurt makes the dessert creamy and adds protein. 100 grams pistachios. Pistachios add healthy fats, flavor, and a beautiful natural green color. 1 to 2 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener. This replaces honey and keeps the recipe low sugar and diabetic friendly. You can adjust the sweetness depending on your taste. If you want to make these even more delicious, you can add a few toppings. Optional ideas include melted dark chocolate, extra chopped pistachios, coconut flakes. But even without toppings, these taste amazing. Before blending, you can soak your pistachios in water for about 30 minutes. Soaking softens them and helps create an even smoother texture. However, I've tested both versions, soaked and unsoaked, and both work well. So if you're short on time, you can skip that step. Now let's prepare the mixture. Add the pistachios to your blender first. Blend them for a few seconds until they break into smaller pieces. Next add Greek yogurt, monk fruit sweetener. Blend everything until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. You should see a beautiful light green color from the pistachios. The texture should be thick but pourable. Take a muffin tray and line it with muffin paper cups. Now pour the pistachio yogurt mixture into each cup. Fill them about 3/4 full. This recipe usually makes around 6 to 8 cups, depending on the size of your molds. Once filled, gently tap the tray on the counter to remove any air bubbles. Place the tray in the freezer. Let the yogurt cups freeze for about 3 to 4 hours or until fully set. Once frozen, they will have a texture similar to a creamy frozen dessert. Before serving, you can make them even more special. Drizzle a little melted dark chocolate on top. Then sprinkle some chopped pistachios for extra crunch. This adds beautiful texture and makes them look like a gourmet dessert. Let's take one out and see how it looks. The texture is creamy, slightly firm from freezing, and full of pistachio flavor. Because we use Greek yogurt, you also get a nice protein boost. And thanks to the monk fruit sweetener, you get sweetness without the sugar spike. These are perfect when you want something cold, refreshing, and satisfying. Health benefits. What makes this recipe great is that it combines protein from Greek yogurt, healthy fats from pistachios, natural sweetness without added sugar. So instead of eating processed ice cream, you can enjoy a dessert that actually supports your health. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments. Would you add chocolate on top or keep it simple with pistachios? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Eat Clean Daily for more simple, healthy recipes every week. See you in the next video.